What's up, guys? Trade recap for today. Um, took some L's in Asia last night. I'll show you. So once market open, I'll go into replay, so it'll make more sense. But let's see. Damn. Okay. This right here is how market closed. All right. Now, what I was predicting for it to happen is market closed with a 4-hour doji right here. This candle. This last 4-hour candle closes a doji. Usually, what you'll see on a 4-hour doji like that is price will usually dump right off of it. At least come down and fill the bottom of that wick. Maybe go a little lower. That's what I was predicting. Now, my end made a terrible decision, and I'm be honest about it. Market opens, and my bias is shorts. Market opens, dumps. That's exactly what I think it's going to do. Now, for some odd reason, I felt like it wasn't going to come and fully sweep the bottom of this wick. I don't know why. I kind of thought it would bounce here, have a chance for it to go higher and continue higher and come sweep high before it goes lower. Again, I don't know why I thought that. Bad psychological decision, but it happened. All right. So I tried longs here with my stop and not right at the low, but a little bit below it, targeting the 1 hour 50. I knew price was going to retrace to 1 hour 50 eventually and have it a second tap. It already tapped the first time. I knew it would tap a second time, probably continue lower. Again, bias is shorts, but I didn't take my shorts off the open like I was supposed to, and I chased longs. Now, this is what happened. I was in profit for a bit, came down, stopped me out like crazy, it skyrocketed, and I can't lie, once it stopped me out here, I just got off the charts. I was like, I made a bad decision. Let me get off. I'm gonna go play basketball, right? Here's where I messed up. This is my short opportunity that I was waiting for. 0.886 of this range aligned with the 1 hour 50. So my shorts should have been here, stop at the high, targeting lows, potentially to even go lower, 600 points lower. That's kind of what I was predicting. But at this time, I'm at the basketball courts hooping. Unfortunate. Let's show you what happened. Comes up, taps in shorts at my short level. Man, I wish I was on the charts at this time. Look at this 0.886 tap with the 1 hour 50. That's so perfect. That's literally textbook. Second tap of the 1 hour 50 after the initial tap, holding it down with 0.886 of the range. I mean, look at the RR on this. Like 1 to 16. Even if you just take it down to this and TP here, which is what I would have done. 282 points. A 1 to 8 RR. This is what I should have been. I mean, honestly, this trade here isn't bad, but I should have waited for a sweep of the previous session low before I look for a long. It happens. Live and you learn. Now, comes down. Speed up a little bit. Obliterates my TP. Still upset I didn't take that. Cool though, right? And then all night, I'm thinking, again, not the right thought. Still don't think it's a terrible idea. Not the right thought. Price came down. NQ swept all these lows. ES didn't sweep the lows. ES was sitting at 0.886. My original long was trying to be right here to catch this, but okay. Okay. See you when you get home. Right. Bye. Bye. That's all, guys. My dad called me. Anyway, um, let me show you. I was still red. So then kind of take this internal range. What I should have waited was for these internal lows to be swept and look for longs, but wasn't thinking the right thing. Real longs should have been all the way down here at 0.886 if I want to try it again. But this is line of the sand for longs. Got ran through. Good thing I didn't take that too. And then it gets down here, seeing this dump the whole time. New hourly opens, and I can't lie, I just wanted to continue continuation shorts. I was tired of longing it. Going shorts, edges my stop loss at this high. Comes down, dumps, hit TP. There was longs right here at the bottom of this. I didn't end up taking them. Those ran for a lot. And then let me skip through to but those are all my trades from last night. I ended up taking 2 L's on longs. I know what I did wrong. It's okay. Should have been taking shorts. It happens. Let me skip through to this morning. Price goes up overnight. Cool. I don't care about none of that. Right here. Protected low. Price dumps 600 points during Asia. Is it really going to go lower? Probably fucking not. This 886 tap should have been my entry. This original one right here for longs. Kind of a gamble. I didn't have anything else aligned other than 0.886, but still the RR is there. If you run stop at the low, 43 points for a, I don't know, you can target 5-minute 200 right here, TP there, target these highs. That also would have played. Again, good risk to reward. Then end up taking that. Once I saw the reaction of this 0.886 tap and the retweet, which is what you want, came down, edged it, didn't hit 0.886. Came down, should have longed the resweep, gave it a shot. It's okay though. Comes down, sweeps. My bias is longs. Longs all day here. Sure, it's holding the 1-minute 200, and then it held it on the second tap. But I'm still just trying to enter these longs. So I drew up my fib right here to take internal of this leg, and I just end up longing the 0.705 right here. This was on an eval, so quick pass on my account. I only need 70 points, but this is a trade I would have held at least up here for 130 points. I caught 70 on this. I was only risking like 18, so 1 to 4, pretty good trade. But yeah, longed here, stop below 0.79, targeting up here. Comes down, taps me in, boom, smack my take profit. So I ended up taking 2 L's on longs, and I took 3 L's on longs, and then 2 W's. Ended up the day passing an account and blowing 1 eval. Cool. But yeah, that's my analysis for the day. Now I'm thinking, man, I don't even know what's going to happen next week. Either we continue lower to come fill more OTE of this range, which would make sense. But I'm also thinking next week could be completely bullish due to this weekly 9 holding up. So I honestly think price next week do this. Where it is right now, weekly opens, come down, tap into OTE of this range, tap into the weekly 9 again, weekly continues higher to take out these equal highs up here. These are very, very high liquidity back to all-time highs. If the economy goes good and everything goes good, this should happen. This is what I would like to see happen. This is what I'm going to look for. But you never know. We'll find out. But yeah. Anyway, see you guys.